Hello, and welcome back to the course. Today we'll continue improving our English skills, particularly when communicating over the telephone. In the last lesson, we explored the benefits of using the telephone in a business setting. However, there's one significant challenge. You can't always guarantee that the person you're calling will be available. When this happens, it's essential to know how to leave a message so the recipient can get back to you later. Similarly, if you receive a call for a colleague who isn't available, you'll need to take a message and pass it on. This lesson focuses on how to manage both taking and leaving messages effectively. Sometimes, the person you're trying to reach simply can't take the call. There are many reasons for this. They might not be in the office, they could be tied up on another call, or perhaps they're busy with tasks that require their full attention and can't be interrupted. Whatever the reason, it's important to communicate their unavailability politely. Here are a few phrases you might use. I'm sorry, but they're not in the office at the moment. Would you like me to take a message? I'm afraid they're unavailable right now. May I take a message for them? I'm sorry, they're currently in a meeting. Can I take a message for you? If the caller decides to leave a message, your role is to gather key information so that the recipient can follow up appropriately. The essential details include the caller's name and the organization they're calling from, the reason for their call, a phone number or email address for follow-up. Here are some phrases you can use to collect this information. May I ask who's calling? What's this call regarding? Could I please have a contact number or email address? Once you've gathered the information, thank the caller and assure them that their message will be passed along. For example, thank you. I'll make sure your message reaches recipient's name, and they'll get back to you as soon as they're available. On the other hand, if you're the one leaving a message, the process is quite similar. You'll want to provide clear, concise details to ensure the recipient understands your request and can respond appropriately. Here's what to include: your name and where you're calling from, the purpose of your call, and your preferred method of contact, whether it's a phone number or email. For example, you might say, "Hello, this is Sarah from Business English Complete. I'm calling regarding the order we placed last week. Could you please have Mr. Smith call me back at 093-874-4763? Thank you." Whether you're taking or leaving a message, the goal is to communicate clearly and professionally. Always be polite, ensure the information is accurate, and confirm the details when necessary. Effective communication ensures that messages are passed along accurately and that follow-ups happen smoothly. With these strategies, you'll be well equipped to handle message taking and leaving scenarios with confidence. Keep practicing, and let's continue building your professional telephone skills. In our next lesson, we'll be focusing on asking for clarification when we are speaking over the telephone. Stay tuned. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more lessons.